Lamar, a 911 3-bedroom apartment, beautiful with storage and laundry. As we enter, we have maid's room. That's the maid's washroom. Kitchen, we can fit big fridge out here with a dishwasher space and electric gas. Gas pipe is provided. That's the living space area. That's the view we get from here. Guest washroom. Laundry space. 2 room would have common washroom. $60 water for the first one. $65 water. Common washroom for 2. His and her sink for master bedroom with standing shower. Master bedroom with fresh air window provision and $60 wardrobe.